So right now, we're on our way to Harbor Freight. We're gonna go pick up a new center punch tool because I have no clue where mine went. Because we're gonna be installing some new pedal plates for the Genny. Yeah, she got them right here in the passenger seat. So right now we're gonna head back home. Just picked this up from Harbor Freight. That's all I needed. But I'm gonna show you everything that you need to get this job done. Super quick, real simple job. Just kind of a tedious job. You want it done right. But alright, catch you when I get to the house. Alright, this is a little bit of ahead of time, but the tools you're going to need for this are, you don't necessarily need an impact, but it does make it helpful. But you can replace that with the Phillips head screwdriver, or if you got the Phillips tip and an impact, use that instead. Definitely need a center punch. 100% need 1/16 drill bit and a 3/16 drill bit. 9mm socket or wrench, doesn't matter which one. You do need a drill for this for sure. Marker to mark out everything, and some the masking tape. And then the provided Allen key. All right, so these are the pedals that'll be going on there. All right, so first thing you want to do, you're gonna have rubber little seals over this. You want to peel them off from the corner. Peel them off on the gas and the brake.
Big mistake, young fella. big motherfucking mistake.
I mean, on the brake and the clutch. And then leave these as is, of course, because you can't do nothing with them. All right, so now, after you do that, you're gonna want to put some masking tape over the pedals so that you can use your center punch in order to make a mark on the pedals where these are gonna mount up. You know, I mask it up like that. Line them up where you want them to be, and then use your center punch, mark a hole, and boom. Alright, all the pedals are center punched. I'm just gonna take a marker and then just make a dot right over where it goes. Also do the same thing for the other plates too. Line them up where you want them to be. Make your little guide marks with the marker through the hole. Same thing on that side. This one, I just kind of let it rest right here. I just let this one rest in place and then made the marks, because when you push the pedal, it goes right back there, so it's not gonna like stop it or like jam it from like leaving you like full throttle or something, or like partial throttle. So the process for the dead pedal and the gas pedal are different from the clutch and brake. So for this, you're gonna use a 1/16 drill bit to start, all little 6 holes, and then you're gonna bump up to a 3/16, and then you're gonna use the screws and lock nuts, and then the self tappers are for the dead pedal and the gas pedal. Alright, so now the hole's drilled. You might want to let that pedal cool down before you touch it, because I just burned myself. So I did the first pilot hole with the 1/16 bit, and then this is the hole after with the 3/16 on it. Well, I'm stupid. I accidentally snapped one of the bolts. So don't do that extra turn. So what I did there, just drilled a 1/16 pilot hole and then used the self tappers to go right in position. And as you can tell, it's good. It's not going anywhere. Also, you're not going to be doing anything with that pedal besides putting your foot on it. But time for the gas pedal now. Same thing, 1/16 pilot hole and then self tapper all the way through. Alright, that's it. All done.
How much?
That is how you install the SRP racing pedals. Super simple. Literally took me like less than 10 minutes to do, while recording as well. So yeah, I could get this done ASAP. So little by little right now, the interior is coming together. I think next thing will be getting rid of this and adding my oil pressure gauge that I have coming on the way as well. And if you guys have been watching my Instagram story, you see that I got some black interior trim pieces, and then I'll be painting and relaying down the fabric for this piece of crap tan interior. But yeah, I'm about to make this, let's say, like a series for the interior. So it'll be part one of reviving the Genny interior. All right, that's it for today's video though. Thank you for watching. Peace.